Besides me, there is a 2012 BMW 328i that comes with the N20 engine and a 2016 BMW 330e that comes with a B48 engine plus an electric motor. Both of them are 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engines from BMW from different generations, and BMW claims that the 330e does 1.9 liters per 100 kilometers and the 328i does 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers. The 328 has a 60-liter tank and the 330e has a 40-liter tank. We are gonna put that to the test today and see which one of these cars is gonna run out of fuel faster. Are the fuel consumption numbers actually true?
3,
2, 1.
go!
Bro, why am I running? Why are we running?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
First things first, we have to fill up the cars to their maximum level. So that's what we are gonna do. See how much fuel does this car need to get. Okay, we have 80% battery on this car, but it's gonna be all right because the car can charge itself on the road. A full tank of gas on this car, and we are gonna fill up my car and see how much does that take. Probably a lot more. 108 ringgit, 52 liters of fuel. Okay, we have a full tank of gas. Reset the journey computer to see our fuel consumption. I'm gonna try my best to behave myself to win this. My chances are high just because that electric motor, I don't know how helpful it's gonna be on the highway. Number that BMW came up with, 1.9 liters for a very, very short distance. I don't think that is highway tested on long distances. This is gonna be a good experience. By the end of this video, we are gonna have a good idea on which car would suit you best, so you can make your own decision. You can kind of replace this car, the 328, with the 330i, I would say, even though they have different engines, but their fuel economy numbers are quite similar. You can have an idea whether you should go with the hybrids or you should go with the non-hybrid.
Are we going to Dasa or stopping at Butterworth?
It depends on when our cars are gonna run out of fuel, bro.
Yeah, but I think mine would run out at Butterworth.
You know, with that loser mindset, you're not gonna go anywhere in life, you know.
Is this like a BMW gathering?
Yeah,
What's
this is
going on?
Right, 4 F30s. Woo!
Woo! Drivetrain! Oh, sorry,
No,
not
sorry,
wrong.
wrong video.
What is this?
Drivetrain!
What happened? What is this? You want to race?
No, we don't race. We want to save fuel. Man, that 318 is probably using no fuel, you know, with his 1.5 liter engine. Oh, look at that. Hi.
Yeah.
What is your fuel economy right now? Mine is 11 liters per 100.
8.8 liters per 100 kilometers.
8 liters per 100 kilometers. So I am already 3 liters above you. This is not going well.
And my battery percentage is at 76%.
76%. So you use 9% of battery driving
Yeah,
around 7 kilometers.
Yeah.
I am stuck. I need my stepbrother to come and help me.
The smart tag. Why?
Why is this not letting? Oh. Okay, so I gotta catch up. This is not good for our fuel, but
Man.
I am not doing well, bro. I'm at 12.
I'm at 10.5.
Almost double BMW's claim. So I'm not an asshole. I'm not an asshole. I'm not an asshole. I'm not an asshole. I am not an asshole. I am not.
Look, there's another BMW doing the same thing.
We are not assholes, by the way.
Like that guy?
If you were wondering, this is completely fine. This is normal behavior.
Cutting in the line?
Cutting in the line.
You know, saying that does not change the fact that you are an asshole.
It does. It does. Look at this guy. He's not giving me way. He's not having it. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You Nissan driver. I respect you. All right, I'm gonna put my car in Eco Pro, but we must keep quiet because I don't think he is in Eco Pro. Whoa! Let's go!
Are we racing with the Lambo?
Yes!
Woohoo!
Oh my God, the the stones that's coming off that car. So since his ego didn't let him stay behind, he just overtook me and I'm going right behind him. Since his car is creating a wind tunnel or something, I don't know what they call it in the F1, I am gonna be saving fuel following him.
So we have done around 125 kilometers right now, and we are averaging around 7.1 liters per 100 kilometers. There's no electric consumption at all, I guess. I mean, we did consume a bit in the traffic, but other than that, we've just been averaging 7.1 liters per 100 kilometers. And there's around 54% battery left over here. And we have 3/4 of the fuel left as well. So we have just been doing it in sport mode all the way until now. And we are just going to continue for another 200 kilometers before we reach Penang.
So we pulled over because that's happening. I do not feel safe driving in this weather. We have done 177 kilometers so far. We are at 7.7, 7.8-ish. I'm on Eco Pro mode. I have only used less than a quarter tank. I think we are doing pretty good. I don't know, BMW's claim is 6.4 and we are doing 7.7. I did misbehave a little bit. I did not go super slow the whole way. I did some revving and everything, all within the speed limit. But let's see how the 330e is doing. Bro, what's your mileage? How much fuel do you have left?
3/4.
3/4? You still have 3/4 left?
Yeah, the fuel mile hasn't been moving anyway.
Oh. How much battery do you have?
64.
64% of battery and 3/4. What's your average consumption?
7.4 liters per 100 kilometers.
7.4. Okay. So he has done 7.4 and I have done 7.7, as you can see right here. What bothers me is that we have both only used a quarter tank. His quarter tank is 10 liters. My quarter tank is 15 liters. So that is a little concerning to me. So I thought he would be at almost half a tank. Let's see how this goes, but this is not a good look for me.
1 hour later.
Half tank.
Half tank. I have used 1/3, bro. We are very economical people. These are very economical cars.
What's the mileage consumption right now?
7.6?
10.3.
Oh my god. We are gonna do like over 600 kilometers per tank.
Yeah, and I'm gonna reach around 600.
Let's see how it actually goes. You guys actually watch more of my videos. You actually let your car cool down before you shut it up. I made a video about cooling down your car when you come to a pit stop. Oil temp was at 115-ish just now on the highway. I have pulled over to 110. If I shut down the car right now, oil temp, everything is gonna stay the same. The oil coolers and stuff like that are not gonna be working anymore. And I'm gonna leave hot oil in the car. This car does not have a turbo timer or whatever, or it does not run the coolant when it's off. While I'm talking, it's already down another 10 degrees. To the people who told me 2 minutes isn't gonna do shit, here's the proof. Stopping the car will not raise the engine because the engine has fans, it has radiators, it has all of that. It will reduce the temperature. Cool down your cars before shutting it off. 1 or 2 minutes is all you need. How much fuel do you have?
Oh, half a tank.
How is this even possible?
I know. Usually I'd be like out my tank.
Because we are doing the speed limit, you know, we are doing the speed limit the whole way. You should always follow the speed limit. We always follow the speed limit on the red line. But the cars are doing exceptionally well. It's gonna be really hard to tell. I thought it would be a less fair fight. I thought the 330e is gonna be absolutely destroyed because it has a much smaller tank, but it's proven me wrong. How many percent battery do you still have?
50 plus.
50-ish% battery,
Yeah.
so.
And I'm not driving in safe. It's just been regen braking.
Okay, not in save mode, just from regen braking alone, 50% battery and half a tank with around 300 kilometers.
Yeah.
This is absolutely amazing. Closer battle than you think. So Okay, it's 12:30 a.m. We have traveled 380 kilometers. Let's see how much fuel we got left. I am so tired. We are at half a tank with my car, which means I have really behaved myself. 28% battery, a little below half a tank. That is not a good look for the 330e, but again, 40-liter tank. So I really wish somebody would have lost by now because I'm so tired of driving around. We are gonna burn some dead dinosaurs. Yeah, no dinosaurs were harmed in the making of this video.
Why the fuck you lying?
Hello. I got 40 kilometers left.
40 kilometers left. Let me see how much I have left. I have 141 kilometers left. This is not good, looking good for you. This is not a good
I mean, yeah, you have 20 extra liters.
Let's go ahead and finish this and see.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be driving slow.
Where are you gonna be driving slow?
The Adenauer is in 43, so if I'm gonna make it there, I need to be a bit more.
He is running out of fuel. We have done 460 kilometers. We were redlining it just now at the speed limit using very low gears. We did burn some extra dinosaurs there. My fuel consumption right now, average 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers. It's pulled right behind me right now. We are gonna refuel. I have clearly won this challenge. Let's go ahead and look at the numbers. Okay, what's the verdict? After 466 kilometers, the 330e only has 20 kilometers of range. Considering it has 25% of battery, let's say if we really go slowly, maybe it can do 500 kilometers on a full tank of gas and full charge. The 328 has a quarter tank left. If we want to do the math, 60 liters, 40 liters, quarter tank would be 15 liters, 20 kilometers of range would be like 2 liters. I would say it's pretty similar, but let's look at the numbers. So the 328's average fuel consumption is 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers, which is quite close to the average that BMW tells you. This is a mix of normal driving with some hard accelerations. And the 330e's average fuel consumption, 8 liters per 100 kilometers. So definitely that was a win for the 330e. Even though it ran out of fuel faster, technically it lost. I mean, it just depends on what game you're playing. I only play the games that I'm the winner at the end. 8 liters is far off from the 1.9 liters that BMW claims. I'm guessing their test doesn't include driving the highway for 460 kilometers. I think if you're doing a lot of city driving, hybrid. If you're not gonna do a lot of city driving, hybrid isn't gonna do anything for you. So you're better off with a non-hybrid. Subscribe.